This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a 401k in QuickBooks Desktop. We will cover the two primary methods, easy setup and custom setup. Understanding these steps is crucial for accurate payroll processing and compliance. This guide will help you configure both employee deductions and any company matching contributions. Proper setup ensures your employees' retirement savings are tracked correctly, providing valuable benefits for your team. Let's get started with the first method. For a straightforward approach, the easy setup option is ideal for employee 401k deductions. First, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the Lists menu. From there, select Payroll Item List and click New. Choose Easy Setup and click Next. Simply follow the prompts that appear on your screen to quickly define the deduction details. This method streamlines the initial setup, making it easy to get started with employee contributions. If you need more control, the custom setup allows detailed configuration for employee 401k deductions. Navigate to the payroll item list and select New. Choose Custom Setup, then Deduction, and give your item a clear name. You will specify the vendor receiving payments and select the appropriate liability account. Crucially, set the tax tracking type to 401k to ensure accurate federal income tax withholding and W-2 reporting. Setting up a company match for your 401k plan also uses the custom setup. Go to the payroll item list and create a new item. Select Custom Setup, then Company Contribution, and name it clearly like ER 401k Match. You'll specify the vendor, the liability account for payments, and an expense account for tracking. Select 401k Co. Match as the tax tracking type. This impacts forms like the 940 and W-2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.